For many years, people have utilized the aloe vera plant as a remedy. The aloe vera plant produces a thick, sticky juice that is extracted from the aloe vera leaf. Although it can be used for a variety of other purposes as well, many people use this juice to treat sunburns. It is a very simple remedy to apply because it can be incorporated into drinks and smoothies. What can you treat with aloe vera juice? 1. Hydration. Due to the aloe plant's abundance of water, it prevents you from being dehydrated. Removing harmful microorganisms from your body will be much easier if you maintain hydration. Additionally, consuming aloe vera juice will provide your body with nutrients that support healthy organ function. This is significant because your liver and kidneys are the organs that produce urine and remove harmful bacteria from your blood. You must maintain their health as a result. You need to rehydrate by consuming extra water after engaging in strenuous exercise. To eliminate the lactic acid that accumulates during exercise, try sipping aloe vera juice after your next workout instead of coconut water. 2. Alkalinity. Disease will be abundant in an extremely acidic body since illness will spread swiftly there. Consume alkaline foods and beverages, such as aloe vera juice, to help maintain your health. 3. Indigestion. Your intestines will be completely cleansed by aloe vera juice. According to research, a lot of liquid promotes peristalsis, which will help you pass stool normally. Try drinking aloe vera juice every day if you're experiencing constipation issues. This will support maintaining a normal level of beneficial bacteria in your intestines. 4. Liver performance. Juice from aloe vera is abundant in phytonutrients and water. The liver benefits greatly from this because it needs nutrients and water to function properly. It's critical for the liver to maintain good health because it's responsible for removing harmful microorganisms from the body. 5. Relief from heartburn. Aloe vera juice can reduce heartburn symptoms. This is due to the juice's ability to regulate your stomach's acid flow. Gastric ulcers will be fought off and prevented from spreading. 6. Nourishing Boost. Drinking aloe vera juice is a terrific way to ensure that your body is receiving all the vitamins and minerals it needs, including vitamins B, C, E, and folic acid. The only plant that contains vitamin B12 is aloe vera. For vegans and vegetarians, this is fantastic. One of the key ways to prevent diseases is to be sure to consume foods and beverages that are high in nutrients. 7. Clearer skin. Aloe vera juice can aid in preventing acne from developing. Additionally, it can treat dermatitis and psoriasis. Antioxidants and vitamins found in aloe vera can benefit your skin. It can shield the skin from ultraviolet, UV, rays, repair UV-induced skin damage, and aid in preventing fine lines and wrinkles. 8. Digestion advantages. By breaking down fats and sugars, the digestive system is assisted by the enzymes included in aloe vera. You won't be able to absorb all the nutrients from the food you're consuming if your digestive system isn't functioning properly. It's crucial to have a healthy digestive system because of this. Aloe vera may also lessen gastrointestinal and intestinal pain. Additionally, it can benefit those who suffer with irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, and other gastrointestinal tract problems. Aloe vera juice has been shown in research with 33 IBS patients to effectively relieve IBS pain. Because the trial was not placebo-controlled, more investigation is required. People with ulcerative colitis also benefited from aloe vera. Give the video a thumbs up and share it with your friends if you enjoy it. Subscribe if you want to see more recipes and advice.